What's up homies, welcome to my first video. My name is Sopacrip and today I'm gonna be installing Endeavour OS for the first time. You know what I'm saying? As you can see right now, this is Garuda Linux. I am running it on my main machine and I know, okay, I don't wanna see any of you homies in the comments saying, oh, Garuda Linux is bloat. Okay, I like this shiny stuff, okay, you know what I'm saying? Also before we start, sorry for the background noises if you hear any, okay? Now let's begin. As you can see, I'm gonna be using a virtual machine to install Endeavour OS, obviously, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to be using Virt Manager. I already downloaded the ISO and let's go. Okay, let's start on new virtual machine and local install. Yes, select the media. It's on, wait a minute, host locale, Endeavour OS, and open. I hope it's not detected. Endeavour, oh shit. It didn't detect the ISO shit. Generic OS. Let's go. Click forward. I'm gonna give it 4 CPUs and 4 gigabytes of RAM. It will be enough. I think it's 4096. I don't know. And then create a disk. I'm gonna manage where I'm gonna create a disk on the TVM machines. And then new volume. I'm gonna give it the name of Endeavour. Okay, Endeavour OS. Yeah, baby, let's go. And then give it like I'm gonna be using this for, you know, making thumbnails for this YouTube channel. Let's go. 40 gigabytes. No, I'm gonna keep it dynamic. Allocate entire volume. Like now you can do that, but if you wanna, you know, keep using the 40, like the 35, like 30 gigabytes, don't do it. Finish. What the fuck? Oh man, I always do this, bro. And Endeavour OS, creating the storage volume might take a while. So homies, I heard that Endeavour OS is basically Ash made easy. It's just Ash with a desktop environment and some repos, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so choose volume and forward, and also before you click finish you must click customize configuration before install. If you don't do that, you won't be able to customize a lot of stuff. And shit, I just named the VM, bro. Man, should I name it? I always forgot what to name it. Endeavour OS. Finish. What? Oh, once again. Okay, now as you can see, I'm gonna give it some VRAM because I wanna use that, bro. Like without all that shit of called the GPU pass-through and all that shit. Okay, overview, OS information, generic OS, CPU. No, I don't wanna use that. Sockets in calls for, click apply, then goes to memory. It's 4 gigabytes. Boot options. And I need to, you know, give the priority to the ISO file so that QEMU will you know boot from it. IDE disk bus. No, I'm gonna use SATA. Yes. Go to the disk image, SATA, and go to the boot options. Then do this. Give it a proprietary. Priority, not proprietary. Goddamn, my English is really dope. Display spice, it's enabled. Then oh shit. Oh man. Keep it QXL, I guess. So, and begin installation. I hope this will, bro. Okay, let's go. Look at this, bro. Yay. Endeavour OS default. Endeavour. I don't have NVIDIA. I have Ryzen. AMD Ryzen 3200G. It's an APU, of course. Both existing OS. Endeavour OS default. Okay, this looks cool. Make this full screen. Now we wait. You know what I'm saying? It's a matter of waiting. Let system D do what it can do, you know what I'm saying? Fuck. Yo. Hey yo, hold up. Oh goddamn. Goddamn. Look at this. Damn, this shit looks clean, bro. Okay, hold on. Start the installer, general info, find a way out there. Damn, bro, what can I say, bro? The desktop environment is tight, bro. I think this is KDE. I don't know. Is this? No, it's not KDE, bro. It is. I think it's XFCE or something. Man, I can't decide, bro. Well, in my opinion, this looks dope. Like, I should have used Endeavour OS instead of Garuda Linux, but you know, I'm a shiny stuff dude, bro. I'm a shiny. I follow shiny stuff. Okay, install. Update mirrors, change display resolution. Yes, sit and quit. Okay, this is clean, bro. Look at this. We got the resolution. Bro, no way, bro. God damn, I like the purple theme, bro. I like the logo. Look at this. Damn, logo is clean, bro. So wait a minute. Damn, let's check the apps, all applications about. Yes, bro, it's XFCE, not KDE, bro. Sorry, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of stupid. Advanced network configuration, appearance. What's this? Attack. Welcome, accessibility, pulse audio, Gpad. What the fuck is this? Tag. Unallocated, what the heck? Icon browser. It's this. Multimedia, internet. Oh, Firefox is here by default. Graphics, development, task manager. Let's check this. Task manager looks clean, bro. Okay, what can I say? Overall, I guess, with all my honest opinion, this looks clean. It is really clean, bro. God damn, this shit is tight, bro. Damn. Now I guess let's install this. Start the installer. Wait, what? Online method lets you choose your desktop with vanilla theming. Internet connection is required. Offline method gives you an XFCE desktop with Endeavour OS theming. Internet connection is not needed. I like this one. Man, I'm gonna go online to check the KDE version, I guess. I don't have a battery, bro. Sis. Okay, fine, the installation is done. Like, look, all that Endeavour OS has been installed on your computer. You want to now restart into your new system or continue using the Endeavour OS live environment. Restart now and done. Okay, this shit looks clean. Bro. Goddamn, bro. Man, I think I'll be considering the fact that I should switch to Endeavour OS from Garuda, bro. Cause, bro, so far this shit looks clean. Damn. Okay, where's display configuration? Change display resolution to sit and quit. Okay, I really like this welcome screen, bro, because you know it's showing a lot of stuff like update methods, update system. Okay, let's update the system. Damn, this is really easy, bro. Especially for me, like believe it or not, bro, my first desktop was clean Ash, you know what I'm saying, mainline Ash Linux, bro. You know what I'm saying, and it was really clean, bro. Like right now, whatever I use seems really easy. Except for Gentoo or Gentoo, bro. Like Gentoo, I'm not messing with that boy, bro. Ain't no way. Okay, come on, man. Why the shit is taking too much time? Okay, this shit's taking too much time, bro. Anyway, thank you homies for watching the video till the end. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gonna be uploading a lot of really, you know what I'm saying, juicy tutorials, you know what I'm saying, bro. And see you next time.